All right, what's going on, guys? It's going to be the husband checking in to do the voiceover this time around. So let's go ahead and get into the video of this lemon pepper potatoes. All right, we're going to start off with obviously some potatoes, some Baby Dutch yellow potatoes. I'm sure y'all can get this from anywhere, any of your local food stores. All right, we're going to go ahead and chop them up. I can't ever do this. She always do this perfectly. I'm right about now. I'm scared she's gonna chop her finger off, but she doing it all right. Y'all be careful now. Y'all don't get the bleeding. All right, here's the up close. So if y'all did it right, it should look like this, not some little bitty pieces. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and pour some salt in. We're gonna start boiling them up. Go ahead and throw your potatoes in there. All right, it's time for us to head on to the next part of it. We're showing off some few things here. We got the peppers. We chopped them up. We got the nice fancy cheese. Don't forget, this is lemon pepper, so that is It's Lit lemon pepper. If you can't actually do this recipe without it, so you should have it. If not, pick it up at the store, right down in the description box, mishascorner.com. She's going to pop it open for you guys. You can see that it's freshly sealed, as we do with all of ours. You have no idea how long it took us to get that damn seal right. So y'all better appreciate it. All right, we done boiled it up after all that time, and we're draining it out of all the water. Drain it out nice and good. All right, it's time to give our potatoes a little bit of color. So we're gonna throw in some butter. We're gonna swoosh it around here a bit. There we go. Y'all should be swooshing around. Don't scratch up your pans with your knife. Just swoosh it around a little bit. And then after you get it nice and good and in there, it's time to go ahead and throw in your potatoes. All right, now once your potatoes are in there, add your lemon pepper. It's time to add your It's Lit lemon pepper. I know you have it. So now that you've already thrown it in there, you see your potato now has color. It's not dead no more. All right, so it's looking good. Make sure you mix it around, get the seasoning all in there. Look at, she's showing you a close up. There you go. So now you see that it has color on there. You got your lemon pepper on the other side. Get a good look at it. It's glistening. Flip it over. Here you go. Now it's nice and brown. A little melanin, a little color. Pour some more pepper on there. More It's Lit lemon pepper. Got to get the flavor down in there nice and deep. Give them the up close, baby. All right, time to add some more color in there. Get your actual bell peppers in there. You remember those? Go ahead and spread them around. Now you got your little color in there. Spread some more. Mix it on up. Keep mixing. Get it nice and in there. Now you see when you got it nice and mixed in, you see your bell peppers all mixed in. Now all the color has came through. So keep on mixing it in, and now it's time to go ahead and add in your cheese. Now this part is on me, guys. She add cheese to a lot of things because I love cheese. I like cheese. I don't care if y'all don't. So she gonna go ahead and shake that in there. Go and get it in there, baby. So she gonna go ahead and get all the cheese in there, and then we'll be just about ready to plate this up. All right, it's time to plate it up. If y'all did it right, this should look pretty damn good. So now we're gonna go ahead and get the lemon pepper potatoes on there. Go ahead and just lay them on to the side right there. Get them nice in position. This is all her. She loves to play it up all nice. I would have dumped it on here by now. Now here we go with the eggs. Go ahead and get your eggs in there. Remember, this is a brunch type dish. Get your eggs all in there and your bacon. Nice in there. You put as much bacon as you want in there. We're putting a little bit on here to make it look good for y'all. We put more in there if you want to. Now look at it. Look how nice it looks. Look at all the color. Look, the cheese, the peppers, it's lemon pepper seasoning coming through all there. If you need the ingredients, stop asking in the comments. It's in the description box. Y'all know where it is. Okay, for you people who actually do drink it, this one ain't me right here. Y'all go ahead and do y'all little wine thing, and then y'all mix it in with the orange juice and all that. Don't be doing too much, man. Y'all be doing too much with these drinks, like my wife. I see the streams. I see what y'all doing over there, but it's all good. Y'all go ahead and get your little drink in. Have a good time. Dig in, look at it. It's nice. It's nice.